Hi guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new to my channel. My name is Jasmine and I'm so excited guys to share with you guys an unboxing. Today we're going to be opening a box that I was not expecting. I actually was expecting this for tomorrow on the 24th of December, but I feel sad because the post office is actually working on the 24th, but I'm surprised that I got it today. I have not opened it. I don't know what's inside, so we're gonna open it together. As you know, this is the mystery winter edition Jeffree Star mystery boxes, and I only bought one for this edition. I actually bought just a Supreme, which is a big box. That one retails for $175. Well, actually that was the cost. For Halloween I got all three, but this time was a little bit more expensive, and this one contains 10 items. So I was like, you know what, I'm taking a big risk because I'm spending almost $200 on a box that I don't know what's going to be inside. But I was excited with all the items that I got for the Halloween box. So I'm like, you know what, I am gonna go ahead and at least subscribe. Guys, look at this box. This is huge. This is big, barely fits in the camera. So let's go ahead and open it together. And let's see, like I mentioned, it's gonna bring 10 items, $175. So let's see if this is worth it. And this is, look how cute it is inside. I love the details. I love the color of the box. I love the tissue that it has as well. So it has a blue tissue. You take it out, and guys, look at that. So for the last one, the only items that I got as clothing was a beanie, and then I got a shirt. So this one we got another item. This one is, I selected size medium because I feel like the shirt that I got last time was small, and it's okay. So I'm like, you know what, let me just get medium. So we got I wonder if people are gonna be getting different colors or something different. But at least for the beanie, everybody got the same color. Oh, look at this. I like this. Look at this side. This is so cute. Look at this. I like it. It is pretty big. I should have selected small for this one, but I love the details here. This is so Christmas. I think Valentine's too, I think a little bit. The pockets. So let's continue to see what else is here. Oh, this matches with the sweater. I love the marble effect with black and white and pink. This is so pretty. And what do you guys think? Look at the shine. This is so pretty. Look at this. Look at the details. This is so pretty. I like this, guys. It is pretty big. Oh, and it comes with a zipper. Oh, look at that. Look at that. So many great details. I will put brushes right here. I always take my makeup to go on the car, and I think this will be perfect for me to have my face makeup and my eye makeup. I think this came really perfect. The sweater as well. I live in Florida, so but it's been really cold lately, so I think that will be a nice one to wear as well. So I like that. So that's the first two items. Head and move on to see what else I got. So now this is how it looks like inside. Guys, if this was the boxes like Halloween, I was expecting to get all three, but when I saw the price and it didn't guarantee, I feel like some of the items were similar or the same, or maybe the same or a little less, and it's around the holidays. That would have been a lot of money, so that's why I only selected the big box. So we see, look how cute this is, an ornament that is cute from Jeffree Star, and it comes with a mirror, a scrub. I got one of these. I haven't opened it because I think I'm going to put it in a giveaway that I'm doing. And this one, once again, this is the strawberry gum. I think the one I got last time was also strawberry. I got the gloss. Oh, safe word. I don't know if I'm going to open it. Look how pretty it is. Yeah, I don't have this one, so this is really... Oh, look guys, we have a translucent powder. This is Magic Star setting powder, and it's translucent. Look how cute that is. I have so many powders now. There's one that I'm loving from Tarte, which I was not expecting that, but I love how it looks on my skin. Look how cute this is. What do you guys, have you guys tried the translucent powder? Let me know what you guys think. I don't know if I want to open it in case I put this or give it away. I'm not sure yet. I'm going to research more about it. I don't know much about the powder, so let me know what you guys know about it. Next, I got a Skin Frost. This one is, I don't know if you guys can see it, Skin Frost Highlighting Powder. Wow, this thing is huge. This thing is big. Look at that. Oh my god, that feels so soft. Now I know it's called powder. Wow, look at that. Yeah, I don't have that many Jeffree Star items, so I am all excited what is in this box. So everything that I'm getting is new, never tried it, or I didn't know that maybe I might need. So I'm excited, guys. So far what I've seen in this box, I am loving everything, and it's $175. So I was really scared. That is really a risk that I'm taking. It's almost $200. So what? Love me, love me. Oh my gosh, guys, I think this box is way better than the one from Halloween. Look at this. This is so pretty. Oh my god, it feels so soft too. So we have Doll Parts, Calabasas, Wifey, Watermelon Soda, Anna Nicole, Prom Night, Red Rum, and Unicorn Blood. I'm actually wearing Unicorn Blood. This is so pretty. I love the packaging, guys. The details, the way it feels. It is really, really high quality. Oh, look, I'm almost messing it up, but this is really pretty. I can't believe we got this in the box. And we got a palette. Ooh. And we got this. We got this too. I thought we were all gonna be getting this for the Halloween boxes, but we didn't get it, so I was a little bit like sad because we didn't get a mirror, but I am happy I got a mirror here. This is a hand mirror, and on the sticker it says white glitter, which I don't mind at all. That is going to be white. I wonder if there's going to be a variation, if people are going to be getting different colors, but I was not expecting. Oh, look at that. Yes, I love it. I love the colors. Yes. Oh, we got a mirror. And the box, I'm telling you guys, it's the packaging. I think it's just, if you just go based on the makeup, what you're getting, the packaging is like so pretty. Now let's see which palette I did get. It looks like it's not a palette that I have, and it doesn't look like it's any of the palettes that we got on the other 3 boxes from Halloween. So I'm excited to see what's inside. And can you guys guess what the palette might be? I don't know, it has a purple sticker. I'm trying to think. It feels bigger, so this is not one that I have. I got a palette on the Halloween. I got 2 palettes, so it doesn't feel like the ones I got. Jawbreaker? What? What? I'm confused. What? I didn't know this was gonna be the palette in here. I don't have this palette, guys. I am so happy with this box. Most of the stuff that I kind of wanted, I did wanted a sweater, something like that for Halloween. I didn't get it. I wanted the mirror, and this is a big palette. So I'm happy with this box. I'm happy that this is what I got. But now I'm starting to feel like, should I have purchased the other boxes? Because I don't know what's coming on the other boxes, and what if there's other great palettes there too, or other items like this one. So I don't know. Oh my gosh, I don't know if I'm missing out. You know, when I went in a few days ago, there were some boxes still available. Not for this Supreme. I think it was the deluxe box, but I don't know what's in it anymore. I haven't seen any spoilers, so I don't know if it's still available. So if you guys see any spoilers and you guys are interested, then go ahead and sign up, because I think there were some boxes still available, but not this one. This one is the Supreme. So remember, there's medium. I'm gonna put a picture here so you guys know exactly. There's 4 different boxes. I love that the colors are different. So we have the mini, premium, deluxe, and Supreme. The only one that I got was the Supreme, and Now I'm wondering how the deluxe and the premium may be, because the last time premium was really good too. So I don't know. Now I feel like I should have probably gotten another box. So I wanted to open it with you guys together. I hope you guys are having a wonderful holidays, getting ready for the holidays, or maybe it's already the holidays by the time you see this video. I wanted to really open it and share with you guys real quick before I also get ready for the holidays. So I hope you enjoyed it. And let me know what you guys think of this box. So thank you guys for spending some of your time with me. And until the next video. Bye.